Welcome to Tesla Car World Jr. channel. Today, let's find out why Tesla Optimus is not an ordinary robot. It's kind of like an expensive high-tech butler that's designed to do a lot more than just get your slippers. It can cook your meals, serve food, even do the laundry. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, with the latest Gen 3 release, it's becoming a reality. But here's the twist that Elon will make you question everything you thought you knew about robots. Optimus will ensure your privacy while it works. It can even recharge itself and assist without replacing humans in the workforce. So, how does Optimus achieve such a dramatic breakthrough in AI robots? But before we dive in, please help us reach 20 subscribers. Your support means the world to us and motivates us to keep bringing you exciting updates about Tesla bots, Tesla EVs, and the latest breaking tech news. We really appreciate your support. How could Tesla's Optimus keep your privacy? First, let's be clear about one thing. Optimus is no joke. It's made to do real-world tasks that range from carrying heavy loads and climbing stairs to even serving food. That's right, serving food. You can practically hear Elon Musk in the background saying, "Yeah, it's got some impressive skills for sure." Optimus is already performing tasks inside factory settings, moving around, learning from other Optimus units, and dodging obstacles like a champ. All this points to a world where robots could help handle repetitive, sometimes dangerous tasks, freeing us up to do the things that require brain power and creativity. So Optimus isn't out here trying to steal your job. In fact, it's probably here to create new roles, like someone needs to maintain all those robots, right? But with this huge leap in robotics comes a very big, loud ethical question. A lot of people are wondering, what happened to the jobs people used to do? And what about things like privacy, errors, and accountability? Well, in fact, Tesla's vision for these robots is that they'll handle boring stuff, like lugging materials around in factories, while humans can focus on the creative. Plus, Optimus is not spying on you. Tesla's built a robot so it doesn't rely on cloud storage or extensive data collection. It's got the brains to do its job without making you feel like your life's an open book. But wait, what happens if Optimus messes up? This is a concern we all have, especially when we start trusting robots to carry out real-world tasks. Tesla's designed Optimus with advanced safety features. For example, the sensors and AI keep it from running into things, and if something goes wrong, you can trace it back to exactly where the issue occurred. That's a pretty big deal. After all, you wouldn't want your robot crashing into walls, would you? Or worse, causing a production delay because of an error it could have avoided. Not so bad, right? Please help us reach 20 subscribers. Your support means the world to us and motivates us to keep bringing you exciting episodes about Tesla bots, EVs, and the latest breaking technology news. We truly appreciate your support. 4. Tesla Optimus Gen 3 voice and language upgrade. Elon has confirmed that an upcoming update will add this feature to Optimus, a capability currently not available, paving the way for the global popularity of the Optimus robot in the future.
Yes, you could communicate with Optimus. Yep, absolutely.
As long as you got 20 grand or more, it doesn't matter which continent or country you're in, you can own an Optimus. Tesla's gearing up for a major leap in commercializing the Optimus robot globally. A clear sign of this is that Elon brought Optimus Gen 2 to a conference in China to showcase its advanced features and share the latest breakthroughs in robotics and AI. Clearly, this is a promotional push ahead of Optimus's release in the upcoming years. But what if an Asian customer buys Optimus and it only speaks English? Clearly, it needs to meet the needs of the international market. Optimus will need to be equipped with multiple languages, ranging from Asian to European and, of course, American languages.
Yeah, you'll be able to customize the personality, customize the voice, and really kind of the robot will kind of get to know you as well and know your preferences. You won't even have to say things because it'll just kind of understand you.
We believe equipping Optimus with communication capabilities is not too big a challenge for a company like Tesla, since Elon already's got Grok. Making Optimus able to converse like a human would only be possible through Tesla adding a microphone and speaker inside Optimus's empty head. After adding the communication support device, the robot records and listens to the voice from the surrounding environment. Natural language processing technology, combined with deep learning models available in Optimus, will allow it to analyze, understand, and effectively respond in a natural language. It'll work like Apple's Siri, but the advantage of Tesla Bot is that it can both speak and have actual body language like a real person. According to Elon, owners will be able to adjust Optimus's language and communication speed to fit specific contexts. Not only will this expand the language capabilities, but Elon also mentioned that we could personalize Optimus to reflect the user's personality, habits, and behaviors, turning it into a useful assistant tailored to individual needs. What do you think about adding a voice and language capability to the Optimus robot? Without further ado, let's get into the final upgrade. 5. Tesla Optimus Gen 3 AI upgrade. What would you think if Optimus, a super intelligent robot, became your home doctor? While making this episode, we couldn't help but imagine a near future where Optimus could monitor your emotional state and proactively contact your family and friends if it detects signs of depression, sadness, or anger, as well as serious mental conditions like a stroke. Moreover, Optimus could also alert you to the risks of high blood pressure or abnormal heart rates, providing proactive and timely health care. For example, if a contagious pandemic like COVID-19 were to happen again, Optimus's role would be even more apparent, as it wouldn't be subject to quarantine.
It can watch a video of something like a person and then learn just by looking at that video and do that task.
At a 2024 Tesla shareholder meeting, Elon announced that by the end of 2026, Optimus robots will be equipped to perform a wide range of tasks, including things that Optimus has never done before. To achieve this, Tesla will focus significantly on developing Optimus's autonomous learning capabilities this year. Through its video in, controls out neural network, Optimus ingests video data, processes it, and autonomously determines its actions. It's a realm where seeing directly translates into doing. It's not just about machinery. Tesla employs a comprehensive end-to-end neural network that spans from data ingestion to decision-making, all driven by real-world AI. We know that Optimus is uniquely integrated with full self-driving software found in Tesla's electric vehicles, and FSD continuously improves in accuracy. Therefore, Optimus Gen 3 is expected to reach the pinnacle of FSD and neural networking. Also, according to Milan Kovac on X about what the Tesla team's doing with Optimus's software system, he said, they are focusing on repeatability across the fleet, training the neural net to deal with dynamic calibration and small bot-to-bot variants. Ultimately, we'll see a lot of crazy AI-powered things between now and when it's officially available for sale or lease. 1. Optimus Gen 3 new hand upgrade.
If you want to have a humanoid robot that can do things that a human can do, it's a very high bar. So our new arm has 22 degrees of freedom instead of 11.
Recently, Elon has continuously emphasized that the new hand for Optimus will be the most crucial update to persuade customers to buy Optimus. This means it must be truly impressive, capable of performing as many tasks as a human hand can, aiming to handle not just 60, but 100 tasks that a human hand can manage. In the current version, you can see that this hand has already accomplished quite a range of tasks, from simple to complex, watering plants, holding eggs, handling slippery 4680 battery cells, and folding clothes with only 2 fingertips. And this is with a hand that has only 11 degrees of freedom. According to Musk, the 22 degree of freedom hand in the upcoming version will be designed to operate similarly to how a human hand functions.
So you could say pick up a cup, pick up a shirt, fold the shirt. These things will generalize, I think, quite quickly.
In the human body, most of the muscles that control the hand are located in the forearm. Your hand and fingers are controlled through the muscles in the forearm. The hand has some small muscles, and our hands resemble a skeletal framework with flesh and tendons. These tendons pass through the carpal tunnel to move your hand, enabling you to manipulate objects. Finally, similar to human tendons, cables in Optimus need to be redesigned to perform similar tasks. Musk discussed these aspects in his conversation with Lex Fridman. So, what does 22 degrees of freedom for Optimus mean? Degrees of freedom is a concept in engineering that describes the number of ways a mechanical system can move. In the context of a humanoid robot hand, degrees of freedom represent the independent movements that each finger or part of the hand can perform. A robot hand with more degrees of freedom will have a greater ability to mimic and execute precise and intricate movements.
Our next generation has 22 degrees of freedom. It will be able to play the piano. So it's really like, wow.
The hands of all humans have 27 degrees of freedom, and we can perform any task from complex to simple, from carrying heavy objects to lighter ones. Of course, Optimus can only do about 60 tasks compared to the 100 tasks that our hands can manage, because humans have an incredible ability to coordinate between fingers and other parts of the body in those complex tasks. And that's all our content for today. As many of you know, our original channel, Tesla Car World, was temporarily paused for reasons we're still trying to figure out. But don't worry. We, the creators of the old Tesla Car World channel, are continuing our journey and bringing you fresh, exciting, and more in-depth content with the latest updates on hot tech topics right here on this new channel. We really hope you'll continue to follow and support us. Please like, subscribe, and join us to catch all of the exciting Tesla EV content coming your way. Thanks.